The final parts to be modelled are the braces for our workbench, which are these parts here. So let's go on a new design. These are the dimensions of these support braces, so feel free to model this yourself if you'd like. But I'll put them in the corner now, and then I can model this part. And first of all, we'll start with these support braces. Let's hit C on the keyboard. We're going to draw these on the XZ plane. Hit R on the keyboard, rectangle, start from the origin, 75, tab 75. E on the keyboard, extrude that, distance 580, enter. Go on the home view, appearance. Again, let's apply a 3D Pine unfinished. Click close. Let's save that part. We're going to call that support brace. Click save. And then we'll start a new design. And here we'll model the shelf brace. So same process, C on the keyboard, same plane, rectangle tool, origin 75 by 75, E on the keyboard. I'm going to extrude that by 500, enter, home view, looking good. Press appearance, apply 3D Pine unfinished, and we're going to save that part as well. I'm going to call that shelf brace. Click save. Okay, and that's all the parts modeled now, and we are ready to form the assembly. So I'll see you in the next lecture for that.